Welcome to the VISCOM booth here at Productronica 2025. I'm delighted to be joined by Uwe Schablack. Nice to see you, Kai.
Hi Trevor, nice to see you.
Yeah, so let's talk today about some of the huge AI suite of tools that you've got in the VISCOM stable.
Yes.
I mean, there's a lot of different tools that are out there, but let's start off with the auto-programming side.
Yes.
What do you offer customers today on that are looking to improve and speed up the method of auto-programming for HiMix?
Yeah, so here at the Productronica, we are introducing our latest software development, so-called vAI provision, and this will help our customer in order to speed up to create an inspection program. Plus, we have solutions available that you can do like optimization of the existing or of the new inspection program more or less immediately. This helps our customer if they start with the inspection or the creation of the inspection program, that they can start on a very early level with a very good inspection program in terms of real error detection and a low fault score rate.
Right. So you're saying it's easy to program. So you don't need to have a huge level of experience necessarily to use it. But it pulls in the Gerber data or the CAD data and creates the program fairly quickly.
Yeah, that's true. So in general, you need the CAD or Gerber data in order to create the inspection program. Yep. Plus, you need to collect some image and video base from the PCB, and this is enough to create very easy AI-based inspection program. And you need a very low level of knowledge to process and create the inspection program.
Right. Well, that's very useful. I mean, because people are finding it harder to get trained operators these days, and so the easier they can make the systems, the better, of course. So what other kinds of other AI tools have you got to assist the operator? Do you have systems that can identify components or markings on the board?
Yeah, so sure. We also have AI solutions available as algorithm in order to improve the inspection itself. To give you an example, for example, for void detection on an AXI, we do have AI-based inspection solutions, and we see very clear improvements to detect voids in a solder joint, to get information you need in order to make a decision. Is this a good or bad solder joint to ensure that the products are safe and good?
Okay. So what's it measuring? Is it measuring the size of the voids, the position of the voids? How is it operating?
Yeah, both. So in general, we are detecting the voids in the solder joint, and you can get out of this a lot of information. So it means what is the smallest, what is the largest void, how much void do I have in the solder joints in total. We have customer who say then this is a very important quality information that I'm able to make a decision about good or bad.
Okay, that's great. So then, coming back to the board's gone through inspection and it's maybe flagged up a couple of defects here and there. Do you have any sort of verification tool that's driven by AI?
Yeah, we also have AI support verification for our customer at the verification station. So to give you an example, for example, if the operator judges a potential defect as false calls, and the AI, which is running in the background, is also processing these images, and if the AI realizes that this might be a real defect, we get an additional warning, a reminder to the operator, are you sure that this is a false call? From the perspective of the AI, this might be a real defect. Please double check and confirm if it's a false call or a real defect. So, and this is really, so our experience is that many customers are looking, it's a very useful tool in order to support the operator at the verification station.
Yeah, absolutely. So I mean, but the way it's doing that is because it's amassing information, is learning every time that the operator is making these decisions and building that up into a knowledge base.
That's right. So we are always training the network in order, of course, to reduce or to have the information available which are very useful to the operator. Plus, we also have the possibility with our AI that in the first step, the AI eliminates for the operator all images which are for sure a false call, that the operator can concentrate and focus directly on the potential real defects.
Right. Okay. Have you got any customers that prefer to use the AI to the operator?
So that's a very good question. And to be honest, in the end of the day, our customer really rely on the judgment of the humans.
Okay.
So of course, AI will assist. AI is useful in order to speed up and expedite things, especially for program creation and also for optimization. But in the end of the day, especially if it's safety related, at least today, humans have to make the final decision. What's going to happen in the future, we will see.
Yeah.
It might be the time that in the end of the day, then the AI is able to do the decision, but these days, the human feedback is very important.
It's like self-driving cars.
that's
Eventually,
true.
they're going
That's
to
true.
be here, so it's going to be autonomous.
So maybe in the future we don't have to drive the car by our own, but in the moment we can enjoy driving very nice cars. So.
Exactly. So, Kai, Uwe, thank you very much for certainly joining us today.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.